Hello everyone, my name is Angel Fuentes and welcome back to Bloons Monkey City. Oh, I'm sorry. I I think things have been a little bit different lately. Let me just expand it back a little bit. Wham! Welcome to my empire. Ah, and no, for real. Like this is how far it has been. And I warned you guys in the last video. I warned you guys, saying like, "Oh, you guys see like a major difference between the previous video and the this video right now." And yes, I'm on level 16. 16, and that's just like freaking 8 days ago. Found it 8 days ago. No joke. Man, this only because I kept on playing off the without recording it. And I just love this game. I just love this game very much because I love how I just conquer the square of lands, using put these tower to uses and all that. Like a whole bunch of them, a whole bunch of towers I've installed in the upgrades. Well, the special buildings not yet, nor the monkey versus monkey buildings, but the resources and they did the decorations, all of it's pretty good. Oh, and another thing I want to tell you about, which is one of my favorite, is monkey knowledge, which is basically a some kind of a little bonus. Here, let me show you what I mean. Let me show you what I mean. Each rank the tower gets is like an improvement of the permanent improvement of the tower. Like take this regular dark market for example. Is at level 1, it passed level 1, base cost and all upgrades. Costs are 3% cheaper. To the past level 2, attack speed increased by 5. And past level 3, where I get free dark monkey each game. And believe me, um, it should keep getting better, yet it's getting harder to level up. And on all the other towers are different as well. Oh man, like all of these are different, and I want to level them all up so much. But the yeah, it's not so easy to get one. But that just makes it more fun. You can also buy them, which I would definitely, most definitely, would not recommend. I mean, just look at the price. I mean, just look at the price. Like, wow, that just like got you right there. And how I get that. And believe me, I have spent money on the monkey knowledge, but only because of the specials that has been shown the listed on the right the right edge, yeah, the right side. It also get it by the monkey news, where like where eventually tells me like, hey, these cost like a half off. Be sure to get one today, which is quite handy, very handy. Only when it's on sale. Only when it's on sale. I would kind of recommend it. Kind of. But the reason I bought all of these, but the reason I keep buying them was because of my choice. But since the sales are off, I'm not gonna buy anymore. You know, these are expensive. Very expensive. I forgot the same in the stores. Oh, and also, speaking of purchases, I bought one of the banana farmer, which is very handy. I mean, it's very handy, especially especially when it comes to collecting bananas. This is a little banana farmer, costs $2, but as a it gives off the additional 10% of the sea farm capacity, but because the thing is, my farm, it can only go up to 500, but since I bought this farm, it can only go up to 550. You know, just by 10%. Shoot. Sorry, I'm just trying to keep my voice low, trying not to make it too loud. I just realized like freaking like the morning stuff. But yes, um, trust me, this is very hand. This is gonna be very handy. He doesn't attack. He doesn't pop balloons, but he'll save you the trouble by harvesting the banana farms. Also, they're free. Like when you deploy them. And another thing I want to tell you about is the specials. The specials, the treasure chests and the special areas and the special towers that you could get as a bonus. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna do with you guys. Let's see. But what should I do first? What can I do? Maybe I can start off with the treasure chest. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Mm-hmm. 3 treasure chests. Oh, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. I should do this one then. This is gonna be easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. In case you haven't known like what's in the treasure chest, my guess is that we'll get a special item. I haven't got any of them because I want to show it to you guys. All of them empty. But sometimes you also get like balloon stones and the bonus money, which is like the least luck. But let's just hope for a very good handy item. Let's just go right into it. And in case you haven't played sorry, and in case you haven't played the game, I'm sorry, I'm a bit slower at the moment. In case you haven't played the game, Bloons Tower Defense whatsoever, I suggest you try before you play this game, or if you want to catch up to it. Cause it is a tower defense game, but I just don't want you to feel a little bit confused as to like, oh hey, what did this one do, or what did that one do? How can I upgrade to that one and stuff like that? Yeah. But yeah, having so much fun. Oh yeah, and this banana farmer is freaking free, but doesn't attack any balloons whatsoever. You collect the farm, to save you the trouble, because because you haven't known the banana farms, you keep deploying bananas, which gives you bonus money, but you have to keep on tapping repeatedly. Like even when you get busy, it doesn't care. Like you need you to tap it, otherwise it'll disappear and stuff. That's what this little banana farmer will do. He'll save you the trouble. That kind of trouble. He'll save you the trouble. That kind of trouble. I might do like open 4 or 5 chests in this video, and then maybe in the next video I might do little, I like probably do the events. No, I'm not gonna give the guy. I'm not gonna do the towers yet. But yeah, let's just take it easy, one step at a time. Because I'm ready to show it to you guys. I am ready to like whoosh, whooshy whooshy. That is a sneeze. Stop. So this one, to get this one, those two ninja monkeys. Just gonna take the rest of it, take the kiwi. Also depends on whichever area you're on. It may improve the a certain tower, and it may also restrict, ban a certain item. Like the tack shooter, for example. I cannot deploy them. I can't use them. No matter what I do, like if I need them, I can't use them. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Ooh, maybe like replace it with this free monkey I got from the monkey knowledge. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Just for fun. Just for fun. Like deploying the monkey buccaneer. Buccaneer. It's something fancy. But yeah, soon you'll see what's in the chest. In fact, we'll see what's in the chest. I have no idea what's in there. Yeah. I'm there. I'm there. I can feel it. Oh, we did it! Yay! Also, that's the king, by the way. He keeps telling me what to do and stuff, which I find a bit this what was the word? Like disrespectful or like untreated well, dishonored and stuff like that. But hey, look at this! Treasure chest is city cash. Hey, another treasure. Oh yeah, I forgot. We also get a little quest every now and then from the king or from the science monkey or the general monkey and stuff. Good work! That treasure will look perfect on top of all my other treasure. Keep an eye out for more of the chest as it travels. Yeah, this is how I get them. Also, I have been doing like a tons and tons and tons of quests. Which is kind of the point, you know, like, oh, you have so many things to do, you won't get bored. Treasure Raider. Opening a treasure chest and maybe hungry. Hungry for more treasure chests. Go out and find some more. Yeah, you see? He just doesn't really care. He's a spoiled monkey. Also, I could do like a little terra thingy, terraforming and stuff. And I find it cool. Let's see, nothing much to show you. There we go, move here and get a little monkey knowledge. Here, you'll see what I mean. Here, watch this. Boom! Press here, and press here. Let's see what we got. Common glue gunner, 10. Common boomerang, 10. Uncommon monkey tycoon, 30. And a rare buccaneer, 80. Sometimes you get the little very rare, such as a legendary. Sometimes you'll get the in fact, you even get something else, such as the sometimes you'll get the Bloonstone. Sometimes you get the little certain crystals, and sometimes you'll even get more monkey knowledge. That's just wow. Like a little blow you away moment, like wow. Now let's get to the second one. Oh yeah, I am ready. Tasty ready for more treasure chests. One more time! I'm not sure why you guys find it annoying or just like freaking impressed or something like that. I don't mind beatboxing every now and then. Sometimes I go a little tense. Sometimes I just screw up on purpose and I don't really care. It's just for the fun. It's just for the fun of the beatboxing. Because you can do funny sounds with your voices. Whether it's like part of the musical or your voice acting as someone. Or like it could be like almost anything. Anything. Almost anything. Like voice, your own voice box, your own tone. It's just like great. It's just awesome. I'm like living. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Doing well so far, doing very well. Yeah, how are you guys? You doing well? You doing pretty good? Pretty nice? Okay. That's good to hear, even though I can't really hear you. Yeah. Uh-huh. Ah, interesting. That's okay, I guess. No, you only have to do that. Look, you can only do what you want to do. I have no control of you whatsoever. You can make your own choice. It's your life. You live the way you want to do it. If you wanna dump your boyfriend, that's fine. If you want to get attacked too, I suppose it's okay, but just please, just be safe, please. Oh, what was that? What was I talking about? I have no idea what the heck am I talking about. I feel like I watch my tone, the volume. I gotta watch my volume. I'm gonna have to turn it down a bit. Just so you guys can hear me better. You know. I just don't want my voice to be booming across the floor where the neighbors can hear me. I'm not just talking about next house neighbors. I'm literally talking about like the people inside the house. Family and such. Okay, you got a second treasure chest, so yeah. Are you kidding me? Are you flipping me? I said flipping me. Like seriously, like that's the second time we got the treasure, just the money. Dang. Gosh, dang it. That's just crazy. Oh, also one more thing. I put the houses and the building into like a certain area along with the roads. Also, the roads are a bit different because I want it to be like a certain pattern. You know, like this area could be like where the Buccaneers are. This area could be where the planes are. This one's for the ninja monkeys. This is for the submarine that I'm gonna get soon in the next video. This could be for the those little thingies, the little what's it called? Spike shacks. It's just like I really like decorating them outside. But hey, okay, yeah, we got another monkey knowledge. Let's see. Alright. And like I said, all of them are different, and all of them are freaking awesome. Like, flippin' awesome. Flippity flippily flippity. La 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 la. Let's go to the next one. Ooh. Never been here before. What could it be waiting for us here? I wonder what's in here. Let's just get started, shall we? How long have I been in? Oh crap, 20 minutes. Oh god. You guys must be bored right now, which I apologize. I did not mean to make it boring. I thought it'd be like 15 or 10 minutes in. 13 minutes, like a medium. Yeah. Nothing you can do about it. Ha! Just. Sorry, a bit too loud, but just. Right? In case they go up against the lead balloons, you can use little wizard magic, which is basically like steel. They can easily get through the regular spikes, and won't be effective from the darts at all. So somebody like somebody like Sniper Monkey or Ice Monkey or Motard and Glue Bomb Shooter, which is very common, and even like a Monkey Princess and stuff. They can be helpful. Yeah. Yeah. Just gonna save it up for the hot lead. It cuts through lead like hot spike through lead. What they're called? They're like lead balloons, which are basically like metal or stuff. Also got the soon gonna get the super speedy production. Rate the spike production increases even more. Oh! It just popped out the one lead balloon, the gray one. Alright. Even faster production? Go. Oh, speaking of which, I gotta be careful. Some of my targets are strong. Like the lead balloon. The lead. Do I sound creepy to you? Whispering into the unknown. I'm not sure if you're gonna scare me right now. I'm sorry about that. eh, just just pretty much nothing much to do. I said that I love this game, but like I still love it. Of course, it has some downfalls, like something like this. Yeah. But, but yeah, I still enjoy it. I enjoy the game nonetheless. Nonetheless, there you go. There we go. Taking I'm taking stay quiet for a bit. Oh, here the gray ones. That's what I'm talking about. Look, you hear the little ting 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 sound, which means they're not effective at all. Yeah, it happens all the time. Also got the rounds, the lives, the blue stones, which is basically like a gem thingy that can only be purchased with real money. This thing is trouble. Go! Banana farmer, attack! Banana farmer? Banana farmer. You're not doing anything! What is the point of view? Oh yeah, to collect the bananas. Here, watch how to collect the bananas. Hey, hold on. I'm gonna show you what it's like without the banana farmer. You gotta know the difference. Just it'd be very, very handy. Oop! I had to press it, you know, like otherwise it'll disappear. And round 11. Alright. I'll watch how it goes. Let's just say I'm busy. Oh no, I can't get the banana in time. Oh, there it goes. Down to waste. Oop, I had to press it myself. But I have to deploy this one. There you go. It goes for me. Oh crap, I forgot. There you go. Alright. You see what I mean? I just got myself very occupied. I like how it collects the bananas. Look at it. There you go. Oh, well, he's busy collecting the bananas for bonus money. And I put the monkey Volcania. No, not really. Meh. Oh my god, that's a lot. But yeah, let's give it the. Oh my. You need to oh no, it's okay. Let's slow down for a bit and put this monkey, this little wizard instead for magical powers. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, let the anger control you. Control the dark side of the force. So you, and that's a you. Yes, impressive indeed. Join us to the dark side. Yes. Now sound like the grudge, which I don't like. Or it sound like someone burped or whatever. Boop. Alright, okay. Also the little monkey village, extra helpful. Only when you have more than enough. Believe me. I'm still pretty much like I'm close to getting myself out of the beginner level of the city. So like I just don't want the monkey village to be like the first thing I have to get. But yeah, oh my gosh, do you see the zap all the way from the top of the screen? Look at that. Look at that zap. Bzz. Bzz. That zap though. Bzz. Bzz bzz bzz. Bzz bzz bzz. From the road to El Dorado, the little sound. You guys know what I mean? Just watch the movie Road to El Dorado. You see exactly what I mean. It's like freaking funny. Like, it's not real. It's just like the little sound. Oh my gosh, 29 minutes. I think I'm gonna have to stop after this. I'm like, I don't want to go on for too long. Boom. Alright. And the last one is... Oh, finally! A real item. I found a magic spanner. Assembly to key vehicles becomes super easy. Monkey Ace and Buccaneer cost 5% less than normal. And just know that that's a permanent thingy. Alright, just yeah, that's a permanent thingy. See, it's on the special items right here. And there'll be plenty more after that. And after you collect them all, and you still see more treasure chests, just know that they're only money or bloomstones. But yeah, that's what I've been doing so far. And yes, I have been like leaving some of them out because I've been saving up for you guys. Maybe next week I might do the this little special event. Mob warning: large and powerful mob class balloons. Mob means mother of all balloons. Class balloons have been spotted in this area. They take a lot of hits to pop, and if one of it gets through a defense, it's game over. We'll lose and we'll have to attack the area again. We need to make sure that we're ready. Blah blah blah. There we go. See, like it's like different events. Like this time was a wallow tree. Let's see. That one little area down there, the little bunny hopping around. That's a different one. This one's different, and all the kind of shenanigans. But we'll probably get through more of that. We'll probably get those in the next video. I might have to get those chests in the meanwhile because I already showed one of them to you, and yeah, I just don't want to be like meh stuff. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I apologize if it takes way too long. I plan to keep going for like 10 minutes and stuff, but life has its ways, you know what I mean? Wild card, nice. But yeah. If you're still with me so far, again, thank you so much for watching this video. Ah, so close. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys. I just can't stop thanking you guys because like you just never know if I might be famous in the future or maybe not. But that's okay. I'm perfectly okay with it. You know, I'm like, yeah, I'm perfectly okay either way. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit a little like and subscribe every now and then. Don't forget to ring a little bell as well. But no, you don't have to. Because at least you're here to watch my videos. That's perfectly okay. After all, the point of my channel is to make the choices. It's the choices that we make. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!